Hey there! In this video, I've got something super exciting to share with you. A trading strategy that's practically golden for stocks, crypto, and Forex. By the end of 2023, you could be rolling in crazy profits. What's so special about it? Well, it's ridiculously accurate, especially if you're working on that 15-minute time frame. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. I'm going to spill all the beans on this strategy, including name of the magical indicator I use. Seriously, this thing is non-repaint and gives you entry positions so precise that it's almost like seeing into the future. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be outperforming 95% of traders out there, making profits every day. Now, here's the deal. I've tested this strategy over 100 times, and I will be sharing with you just a part of it, plus the results just before the end of the video, so make sure to watch it until the end. So, how do you get it started? First things first, open up your TradingView chart. Set it to that sweet 15-minute time frame. Sure, you can use a 5-minute time frame, but 15 minutes is where the magic happens. Then, head to the Indicators tab and search for RSI divergence by this amazing descriptor. Thanks to him or her, by the way, for this amazing free indicator. Apply it to your chart and you're halfway there. Now, let's talk about settings. Click on Indicator setting and in the Inputs tab, tweak a few settings to maximize your win ratio. Change the RSI length to 20, set the upper line to 70 and the lower line to 30. It's all about finding that sweet spot. Oh, and don't forget to switch these settings as I do just right about now. Ready for the fun part? Let's dive into the buying and selling conditions. Spotting those cheerful green dots in your queue for a bullish divergence. Time to buy. Wait for blue line to dip below 30 level, and when that green dot shows up, jump in on fresh candle. Trust me, it's like magic. Now for selling, it's the reverse dance. If that blue line is happily dancing above 70 level, patiently wait for the red dot, take that sell trade on the new candle when it appears, and watch your profits roll in. Traders, if you like the content until the moment, please subscribe to the channel, and by turning on the notification bell, you won't miss on a daily business content that I'm uploading here in the Income Nomad, your channel. And please like the video, because by doing that, the YouTube algorithm is going to show this video to more traders like you who are keen to know all about this unknown world of trading, especially about technical analysis. Worried about where to set your stop loss and take profit levels? I've got you covered. Look for the nearest supply and demand levels, or if you're feeling fancy, switch to a higher time frame and mark the closest support or resistance to your entry point. For a bit of math, try a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio, set your stop loss 1 unit away and your take profit 2 units away. Easy peasy. Now, as I promised, I just want to share with you just a part of 100 times backtesting / forward testing this strategy shortly after share the results with you. But before that, it really matters that which cryptocurrency exchange you're using. I highly recommend when you want to try any new trading strategy, you must backtest it. Or if you don't like backtesting, you can just use demo trading, which is available on Bybit. Previously, I made a video about it. I don't want to make it so long, so you can check it out and learn how to do it. But here's the kicker. I have a surprise for you. If you use my affiliate link down in the description, you have the chance winning up to $35,000 worth of USDT just by signing up, doing your KYC, and depositing at least 100 USDT and start trading on it. So what you waiting for? Maybe it's going to be your lucky day. And here's my surprise for you. Previously, I made almost an hour of video completely about proper risk management, how to do your proper position sizing, risk to reward ratio, winning ratio, whatever you need, whether you're a beginner or a pro, but you're kind of confused in between what am I supposed to do. This is probably for you. So give it a try, watch it, you will come back to me and you will thank me without any doubt. Also, if you want to increase your profit factor on the other side of the coin, beside the risk management, I highly recommend to watch this video of the mixture of Fibonacci retracement levels with supply and demand, or let's say price action, and you're going to find it crazy good with any trading strategy. It doesn't matter what trading strategy you're using, what is your indicator, what are you doing. This combination works out on any time frame, any trading strategy, and it's crazy good. I tried it out like thousands of times and it works out perfect. I've done all the hard work for you, testing this strategy across various markets, and guess what? It works. Give it a shot, and hey, if you run into any snags, drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Also, if you have any cool strategies up your sleeve, I'm all ears. Share the knowledge, right? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. Stay tuned for more awesome strategies. See you in the next video.